Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming support and gathering what you need. First, make sure your iPad Pro model supports Esim and that iPad OS is updated. This prevents activation errors. Next, open Settings and tap Cellular to start. This is the first actionable step. Keep your carrier QR code, activation code, or carrier app at hand so you can add a plan immediately. Also, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and verify your Apple ID is signed in so Esim provisioning can complete without interruptions. Once ready, tap Add Cellular Plan and choose Scan QR code or enter details based on what the carrier provided. If scanning, aim the camera at the QR until the plan appears. If entering details manually, type the SMDS or activation code exactly. Small typos block provisioning. When the plan displays, label it and set it as primary or secondary depending on your usage. Make sure data is enabled for the active plan. Finally, follow any carrier prompts and wait while the iPad negotiates the profile. To finish, verify cellular data and voice and data settings for the new plan and switch the default for iMessage and FaceTime if needed. Make a quick call or run a speed test to confirm connectivity and ensure your carrier has activated service on their side. If activation fails, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting the iPad, and rescanning the QR code. If problems persist, call your carrier with the iPad's IXID and activation info. They can push the profile or clear provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.